Welcome to Carrigan Farms. It's where fruits and vegetables grow and where big orange pumpkins begin their journey as tiny little seeds. Today, we're going to follow the story of a pumpkin from the very beginning. Every pumpkin starts with a seed. This little seed might look small, but it has a big job to do. We plant the seeds in the ground deep enough so it has room to grow. Here at Carrigan Farms, we lay the seeds into rows in the pumpkin field, almost like tucking them into bed. We put the seeds in the soil just 1 inch deep. Then we give them water and wait for the sun to do its job. The sun gives the seed energy through a magical process called photosynthesis. This is a big word. It means that the plant uses sunlight and water to grow. Before long, a tiny green sprout pops out of the soil. That sprout will grow into a vine with twisting, curling stems and big green leaves. The vines stretch and spread all the way into big pumpkin plants. They grow wide and low to the ground, almost like they're crawling. Then, big yellow flowers bloom on the vines. These flowers are the beginnings of our pumpkins. What color are the flowers? But these flowers need help to become pumpkins. And guess who helps? Bees. Bees love the flowers. They visit each flower, collecting pollen. Can you spot the bees? When they move pollen from one flower to another, it's called pollination. That's what helps the pumpkins grow. After a flower is pollinated, a tiny baby pumpkin starts to grow behind the flower. It's small at first, but day by day, it gets bigger and bigger. The pumpkin changes from green to orange as it ripens in the sunshine. This takes a few months, but it's worth the wait. By the time fall arrives and everyone comes to visit, the pumpkin patch is full of all types of pumpkins. Big ones, round ones, tall ones, tiny ones, yellow ones, orange ones, white ones. So many pumpkins, all ready to be picked. Anyone can come to Carrigan Farms and pick their own pumpkin right off the vine. And that's the pumpkin's journey, from a tiny seed to a blooming flower and finally a big orange pumpkin. Thanks to the sunshine, the rain, the bees, and a little bit of patience, pumpkins grow at Carrigan Farms.